Hi, and welcome to 8 Daily Affirmations, episode 66. Let's go through 8 affirmations to kickstart your day with positivity. I'll say each one 2 times. Repeat with me to boost your confidence, reduce stress, and stay motivated. Let's get started with affirmation number 1. I am joyful. I am joyful. I can beat the odds. I can beat the odds. I share kindness. I share kindness. People like my energy. People like my energy. Every day I grow more. Every day I grow more. Today I feel strong. Today I feel strong. I am dedicated. I am dedicated. I make time count. I make time count. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.